Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the exact pieces you need: character PNGs, backgrounds, and any sound. Import them into an Alight Motion project set to 16, 9, and 30 FPS. This ensures consistent timing and scale. Once done, drop your base character PNGs onto separate layers and lock the background layer so you don't move it by accident. Make sure to rename layers clearly. Good names speed you up during animation. Now position the character, roughly, where you want the scene to begin. You'll animate by setting keyframes on position, scale, and rotation for each layer. This is how motion is built. Break the character into parts: eyes, mouth, limbs, so you can tween them independently and use masks to hide or reveal edges. Once keyframes are placed, refine the timing with easing and motion curves to avoid robotic motion. Make anchor points logical: hips for body, shoulder for arm. As you go, scrub the timeline and adjust spacing until movement looks intentional and smooth. You finish by previewing the whole clip and adding polish. Color grade, subtle drop shadows, and sync audio to mouth or actions. When ready, export at 1080p MP4 for video or GIF for short loops. Choose alpha channel if you need transparency. If something feels off, first check for frame rate mismatches between Gacha exports in your project, then verify no layers are accidentally locked and that keyframes aren't offset. If playback lags, reduce preview quality, but keep final export high quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.